This is the Ezgrip plasterboard fixing. One of these can take up to 70 kilograms of weight. These do actually seem like a great idea for some kinds of fixings in plasterboard. So basically what you do with this is you drill a 22mm hole, put that through the hole, and then you can use this part to screw into. You can use any kind of wood screw up to a size 10. And the beauty of this is that you do have quite a lot of holes to choose from. Not only that, but you can actually rotate it round, so that gives you a very large area that you can fix into. Obviously this kind of fixing does have some drawbacks in that you do have that part. So if you're fixing something that's large, it's not a problem. If you're fixing something smaller, obviously that bit may end up being on shore. I'm going to demonstrate how to use these, and then in a future video we're going to do a weight test and we'll see just how much weight that these can actually take before the plasterboard fails. And for the test we will be using 12.5mm thick plasterboard. So the first thing I'm going to do is put on some safety glasses. I've then rigged up this partition, so I'm just going to put the bracket in the position where I want it, and then I'm just going to mark 2 fixing holes. So I've got a mark just there and just there. And we do need to drill a 22mm hole for these fixings. Now obviously when you drill this hole, you don't want to drill the hole there because that is where that plastic part goes. So we do need to drill slightly below that so that we can pick up the fixing the holes above. And then we need to do that for the second fixing hole below. Again, I'm just going to mark where the fixing holes are. And then I'm going to drill below it. And then I'm going to take the fixing, push that through the hole. And I'm just going to tap that in. Then do the same with the bottom one. You can also put a screwdriver in these and you can turn these to any direction you want, and that gives you a very large area where you can actually screw to. So these are a very good idea in some circumstances. So I'm now going to take a number 8 wood screw, and I do need a washer for this because the hole in the bracket is quite large. And then I'm going to put that back in the original position. And then I'm just going to insert a screw through the plasterboard. And into the fixing. And for the top screw I'm just going to have to use the right angled drill attachment because of the design of the bracket. And I'm actually just going to do the final tightening by hand. That is actually very tight. So as you can see, that's given us a very strong fixing in the plasterboard there. I'm now going to repeat that on the second bracket, and then we'll do a weight test in a future video to see how much this can actually take before the plasterboard fails. Of course with these you can actually put them anywhere you like. So you could actually drill the hole to the side if you wanted to. It depends what you're fixing. So this time I'm going to actually put the hole above, and we'll pick up the fixing holes about there. And I'll also go above with this one. So again, I'm going to push that in the hole. Don't actually need the hammer this time. Do the same on the one below. push those in. We'll then put the brackets in position again. Pick up the fixing holes that we marked earlier. And you can actually feel those, they do bite quite well. Again, for the top fixing hole, I'll have to use the right angled attachment again. And I'll do the final tightening by hand again. And they are actually very tight. I did actually get sent these a few years back, and I've only just had time to test them out now, so I do apologise to whoever sent them to me. It has taken me a long time to get around to it. I hope you found the video useful. If you have, if you could please hit the like button and share the video, that'd be fantastic. And if you've not done so already, if you could please subscribe to the channel. In a future video I will test these out and we'll do a weight test to see how much weight these can take before the plasterboard fails.